Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by securing your data and ensuring power. First, backup photos, contacts, and app data to your cloud or a PC so nothing is lost. Once done, make sure the battery is above 50% or keep the charger connected. A cutoff can brick the device. Make sure you know the Oppo account sign-in and the lock screen PIN or pattern because the reset will require verification after reboot. You'll now enter recovery to perform the wipe. Power off the phone fully, then press and hold volume down plus power until the recovery menu appears. Some models use volume up. Use the correct combo for your model. Once in recovery, choose English if needed, navigate to wipe data and cache, then confirm with the power button. Choose factory reset or format data. And wait, don't interrupt, until the process reaches 100% so system partitions are clean. After wiping, select Reboot System Now and allow the device to start. This may take several minutes. You'll need to sign in with the original Oppo account for activation lock. This prevents unauthorized resets, so enter credentials when prompted. If you can't pass verification, use Oppo account recovery steps or contact support. Do not repeatedly factory reset. If the phone enters a boot loop, go back into recovery and try wiping the cache partition once, then reboot again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.